How to add or change profile picture on EA.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily add a new profile picture or change your existing profile picture on EA account. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser and then type in EA.com in it. Once you're inside this home page, make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're in, go to the upper right corner and click on the profile icon. Now click on Account Settings from the menu and go ahead and click the little pencil button right underneath your current avatar on the top left. From here, you can upload a picture for yourself or choose from your device's gallery. Select any one option. If you choose Select from Gallery, you can choose one of these default avatars over here, which is generated from popular games from EA. Go ahead and select anyone and click Save. Now after you do that, you will be able to upload or add a profile picture for yourself. If you ever want to change that, click the same pencil button and then choose one of these options. This time I'm going to choose Upload Image and select Browse Files, which will take you to your device's library from where you can select one of your photo, crop it to your liking and then click Save. Soon after you do that, you'll also be able to add your own photo or upload your own photo on EA.com. If the change doesn't take effect immediately, you can also try refreshing the website and there you go. That is how you can easily add or change profile picture on EA.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.